Man. Can't find the key? Oh. Where? I tell you.
Yeah. Hey, walk on.
Alright. So I think we work with these two windows. The glass one. But him say he want channel. But they look good though. We're up in London, I think we're still.
What a work then gain a man in here. Jesus. How much that?
Hey.
Eh?
Sleep on TikTok, on my phone in a week, man.
You?
See, I sit me in a week,
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm right there, I said. See, I can't need a Rasta guy and lead up a foot. And you drink, when you drink the coconut,
Eh?
it's gone. See everything, man, where you walk on the bottom of the boat.
On YouTube?
Yeah,
YouTube, yeah. Me up a happy out me went. Enfield?
yeah.
Up in up where the great house was.
Right.
The ancestral great house. Yes.
And you want to go up and see what the stick and you off your coconut.
Up out where I go.
I just say graph.
Yeah. Barely I go up the steep like that. Like that. That's what me tell you, so the stick in the car, no throw it away. Jeez, we start from Buff Bay. And then they come and happy out up in our Enfield and buy out the whole of the mountainside. Five plantations up there now. So when we go to Australia, the guys ask me if me know happy out. So I say, alright, now try go. But then me get sick with the hip. And then they said no, sir, but they need to go. So that was buying cement now for the wow. So this is strong.
Yes.
I tell you, it's life in the country. So I tell you, the goats in on the road, they don't even want to get out of the road. Cars are coming and they just lay out like there. Look at them. Not a care in the world. All right. Okay, so we. So we're in King Weston. In King Weston, the King Weston's primary school and infant school, and we're back in this area, and the work is going to take off. So we are starting to build the cantilever, and we're just going to take a quick trip round to show you that the progress of the house. So finally we are in the country, and here we are around the corner, in the bushes and on the steps. Here's a little house on the side of the hill in the country King Weston, way up in West Rural St. Andrew. And this is what we're gonna do today. Bamboo is cut to make the scaffolding, and we're gonna put the scaffolding on today. So that's where we are. Shippy the Explorer is saying It has been a trip to the country, but the work is about to begin. Huh? Yeah. In the cantilever, so we started the cantilever. That bulge not go bother you? The bulge where the concrete bulge out. You just have to just cast it like that.
No, man, we need to find the wall, man. I don't care back for this.
You may know, but that bulge.
No, man, we'll get it back. Everything will come back.
Alright. Okay. So the windows is off. So Auntie is looking out the concrete back. So we can catch the windows, the right height. So we have started a new phase. We're talking about putting on the cantilever, so we're putting on the boxing first, and then we leveled up. Halti start to fill in the blocks already.
My leverage, I mean, try to come. Who's on that last time I can run across?
You catch one there, man. We can't catch one there. All of them are catch.
That's what Bambo you get.
Young Bambo there, brother.
Bambo cartoon is there.
You know, can't run the run, do the run. Of course, you run them and do one. You can use piece of the lot. And you run. Use a lot. They use too much Bambo, man.
The Bambo there.
But it's not better for easier for you, white. Easier, run the put on inside. Look, lad, run up.
It's the one that have 6 inches, you know.
See one.
Well, I know. The lad have rest and this west pile, that's 6 inches up there, you know. 6 inches thick up there, you know.
See lad right from there.
Jamaica has resources. We're using bamboo, and we have been using bamboo for years. People don't believe it's good, but the Philippines make all. You can't buy bamboo in America, you know? Bamboo board. So it's a very useful, especially giant bamboo.
Where you come up?
So right now we're using it for scaffolding, but for shoring up. Using C1 pieces of already. We're using it.
Yeah, man, give me take this. Instead to give to somebody.
You hungry?
Hungry what?
You know, after you eat food, brother?
Yeah.
How do you drink? How drinks, you know? Water and drinks. And drink room. That's how you turn on your face, man. Just rest some pipe like that. What's the name?
I'll see. You have a pay for that board, you know?
Yeah, take. I don't want it.
You don't know where you're going on the shop and take it
Where you
out.
bring it for you, sir?
I know me bring it up here.
Huh?
I want you to take it out.
No, me bring for you. Me never bring cut it.
You never give it out for you. I treated number. My daughter board and she said I have to pay her feet.
No, we don't buy that side. Good
thing, good keep it. No me can keep it from you. Like you don't have it, I don't know what I'm doing this morning. You have to cut this off.
You ever cut that, man?
You must see one.
No, I just
see. Man, it's a clamp. The clamp never come out of the van. The clamp never come out of the van.
Yeah.
Eh?
I think so.
Uh-oh.
Put it right up on this one. You can pack up your hole.
So we don't have any electricity here, so we have to just go manually. Just, 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches. So actually what we're doing is filling the bucket with material and Barrett pulls it up under the top. Because we're going to mix the concrete. We're going to mix the concrete on top of the roof. So alright, so what Halki has done is use the wire steel and boxing the corners. So now he's flashing in the concrete, the mortar really. Keep on dropping out here. Oh. Oops. Knock off. Eh?
Not what?
And there was we kept up this other 2 windows box today.
Yeah.
So yeah, mortar which is just cement and sand. Just to catch those.
No, I can't motivate this out. I want to go down 60 US dollar. I make you 60 US dollar. Yeah, look at I'm going to 75. Way down here to 60. Them a ball, you know, I left for them. No steam on. Never work them, man. It becomes easy.
This is how we're doing this, the bucket. Get the water from here. Bring it out like this.
Pull it, Barry, pull it.
Pull. And it's gone up here. So we're so 3 people. And it's back again. There we go. This one heavy. Pull. This one.
Pull.
And so, teamwork makes it easy. So, you can see the work continues. Progress, progress, progress. Let me have film.
Try it now. Go on, Barry. Are you the cousin?
So we have worked. This is lunchtime, folks. So we are eating a special meal. So we don't kill the goat, Whitehead. See the goat here? See the goat here, you say we're supposed to have cooking. Yeah, so we have the goat here. So we're cooking that. This is curry goat, folks. If you see we eating curry goat, you know it's a special meal. Curry goat. Well, curry lamb if you want to think. If you want to say it's curry lamb, it's good. But it's in Jamaica, it's curry goat.
Every time. Every time. Every time.